Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. It's the 2nd of March and I did get my February project top done and this is what it looks like. It was Lella Boutique's, what's it called? Sugar cookie. And it's a big boy. It is big. It looks, got it sideways. It looks like this. Hopefully you can see it okay. It is massive. There we go. There's some of it. So the next video, I'm going to post this video, upload this bad boy. And the next video I'm going to upload today will be this tutorial. So it was fun. Part of my video kind of wigged out, so I missed, there's a part of it that's not there, which kind of, I don't know if I just didn't hit video or what, but I'm showing you the triangles and you put, I'll just explain a little bit, the triangles with the background, with the light color, you put another triangle to it and you make a big square, then you have a 16 patch. That is basically what this quilt consists of, is a 16 patch. So you have 4 big blocks and 4 rows. So that's the part of the video that went poof into cyberspace. So I apologize about that. So hopefully you'll still get some information out of that video. And Shelley Robson yesterday drew for the project of the month for March. And it is project number 3, which is from the Stripology Mixology 2 book, and it is this cover quilt that is called Wanda. And I am so excited. I've been wanting to do this one forever. It is so cool. I love it. So, and it's these gorgeous fabrics. It's called Beautiful Day, and I think it is Corey Yoder. This is the layer cake I'm going to use, and these are the yummy colors. There's some grays and some peachy reds and just greens. They're so fun. And this is going to be, the layer cake's going to be the blocks, the patchwork blocks. This red is going to be where the black is on this. And I am not sure where the white is, what I'm going to do exactly. But I do have, because, you know, I love this line, and I bought 4 extra pieces of yardage. So one of these might be the yardage that goes in between for the sashing. So I am going to get working on this one right away. Super excited. Dig out your project number 3 for March, and mine's Wanda. See you guys soon.